This is my hike of the West Rim Trail of the Pennsylvania Grand Canyon. It is a 30-mile trail which I did over 2 days in May. This was also a test run for my thru hike coming up later this year, and I used much of the gear I will be taking on that hike.
All right, we are about 5 miles in, and we are being currently hit by a thunderstorm. Hoping this is passing. All the forecasts seem to indicate this would be short but intense, but we'll have to see. Hopefully that pack liner I'm trying out works. There's a beautiful mist now that the rain has stopped for the day. Hopefully stopped for the day. So there was a second heavier wave to the storm. Finally made me break out the rain gear, but still in pretty good spirits.
While the pack liner did keep my gear inside my bag dry, all the clothes I was wearing during the day got completely soaked, and they unfortunately did not dry overnight.
Now that I'm at camp, a little bit of dinner, my homemade couscous with the freeze-dried vegetables, and dressing, which I forgot to take out of my bag, a little sweet sugar-coated almonds, and then of course the drink to celebrate the day.
For the recipe I used to make my dinner, check out the link below in the description.
It's 10:45 in the morning, and the sun has finally come out. So it is a little hotter, but hopefully find an opportunity to let some of my stuff dry out. .8 from where we started means we're getting close to halfway. Stopping for lunch at the scenic overlook. You can see my stuff drying in the background. Take a little break. Hopefully this dries out. Here I've been. Where I'm going. Hard to see, but in the distance, the first bear of the trip wants nothing to do with me, and I want nothing more to do with him than filming him right now. The last campsite before the northern terminus would have been a pretty nice view, but we're so close, we'll just keep going.
This was my longest solo backpacking trip, and while I greatly enjoyed the experience, I also learned a lot. While using a trash compactor bag as a pack liner, and making my own trail meals at home were both successes, my footwear did not hold up in the rain at all. Over the course of both days, it never dried out, and I got blisters on multiple toes. So I will be looking for a new solution for both socks and shoes in future hikes. You can check out the link in the description to my lighter pack page, where I detail every piece of gear I brought and, most importantly, how much it weighs. Thank you all for watching, and please check out some of my other hikes here.